Want to send directions from your phone's favorite navigation app directly to your Tesla? It's easier than you think. This video shows you how to seamlessly share routes from apps like Google Maps and Apple Maps to your Tesla's navigation system, making road trips and daily commutes a breeze. This feature removes the reliance on Tesla's inbuilt navigation and ensures the use of your phone's familiar mapping. The key to sharing routes lies in the Tesla mobile app. This app acts as the bridge between your phone and your car's navigation system. Your phone's navigation app creates a shareable link or data packet with your route's waypoints, destination, and real-time traffic data. This data is then sent to the Tesla app via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular connection. The Tesla app parses this data and integrates it directly into your car's navigation interface. Here's how to share a route from Google Maps to your Tesla. First, open Google Maps on your phone and plan your route by entering your destination. Once your route is planned, tap the share icon in the Google Maps app. From the sharing options, select Tesla. The route will then appear on your Tesla's touchscreen. Simply tap Start Navigation and you're ready to go. It's that simple. While not as seamless as Google Maps, sharing from Apple Maps is still possible. iPhone users can use Siri shortcuts or the Tesla app to push routes to their car. In Apple Maps, create your route, tap Share, then select the Tesla app. The route will load in your Tesla. To successfully share navigation routes from your phone to your Tesla, you'll need several key requirements. First, a compatible smartphone running either iOS or Android. Next, the Tesla mobile app must be updated to version 4.0 or higher for full route sharing capabilities. Your Tesla vehicle needs software version 11 or later, which includes the navigation integration updates. An active Tesla account that's properly linked and logged in is essential for syncing. Finally, a stable internet connection is required for the route data to sync between your phone and vehicle. Having trouble with route sharing? Let's troubleshoot some common issues. First, ensure both your phone and Tesla have a stable internet connection. Route sharing requires data connectivity to sync properly. Offline routes may not sync correctly. For best results, use online navigation with real-time data. Verify you're logged into your Tesla account on both your phone and the car. Use the same account for seamless integration. Ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Check for over-the-air updates in the car's settings to guarantee compatibility. If issues persist, check Tesla support or restart both devices. Sharing routes from your phone to Tesla offers several key benefits that enhance your driving experience. First, you can access live traffic updates directly from popular navigation apps, providing real-time information that's often more accurate than built-in systems. Second, phone apps offer public transit options, allowing you to combine driving with buses, trains, or other transportation for complete trip planning. Third, you gain access to alternate routing features that Tesla's native navigation might not provide, giving you more flexibility in route choices. While Tesla's system is advanced, it sometimes lacks these specific app features, making phone integration a valuable complement. User reports consistently show significant benefits, with many experiencing up to 20% travel time savings when using Google Maps integration. The future of in-car navigation is about integration. Expect enhanced AI to adapt shared routes in real time, rerouting around accidents based on data from your phone. Future updates will focus on optimizing EV routes, prioritizing charging stations, and reducing range anxiety for a seamless user experience.